An unknown, missing tool has recently been discovered in California. A company called CoCraft discovered the missing mixing tool in their culinary journey. Spoons and spatulas only push ingredients in the bowl when mixing. They are good for smashing and removing substances. On the other hand, forks and whisks only cut ingredients in a bowl. Good for mixing watery substances. So, existing utensils are limited for mixing and are not designed to blend thicker batter and sauces. A true mixing tool will not only cut the ingredients, but also cause the ingredients to collide with each other. The missing tool combines all actions of cutting, pushing, and combining. The tool is called a Whixer, the missing tool in your kitchen. A Whixer blends thicker sauces, batters, eggs, and more. A Whixer is the ideal tool for scrabbling eggs, making pancakes batter, and is very versatile for many mixing jobs, especially in baking. You will be amazed with how often you will use a Whixer in your cooking day to day. The original Whixer is designed and distributed by CoCraft brand products.